My guide to maintaining brilliant client relations. Very, very early on, you have to set clear expectations. Here's what we are going to do for you. Here's what we're not going to do for you. And here's how we are going to show you how we're performing. How can we make it very clear to them how they judge our performance and also see that we're pushing things forward? But you also very early on need to establish service levels. Here is the level of work you will be receiving from us. Here is when you will hear from us. Here is when we are available. This is very important because if you don't nail that early on and things start to creep, you don't have a leg to stand on when you try and turn around to the client and say, we're doing too much, this wasn't part of the deal. So nail it early on, do that. Next up, make onboarding very simple. Quite often we need a lot of things from clients in order to go and get our work done. Create a checklist, send it to them and say, here's all the things we need. Can you please work your way through this as fast as possible? Now, you might find actually that checklist can be fairly constant depending on your new clients. That could be a really helpful resource for you, but make sure you tweak it. Don't just always use the same one because you'll end up having to go back to the client and asking for more, and that kind of wrecks the whole purpose of the checklist. And then the biggest thing is honesty. Be honest about your performance. There has been a tendency in marketing over the years to perhaps fluff things up a little bit. That's unacceptable. Be honest, rely on the data, be accountable to the data, but also be honest with the client on their performance. Are they fulfilling their part of the relationship? Perhaps they have lots of ideas. If they're not good, you better be honest and tell them, but have a good rationale for that and always have an alternative. I hope that helps. I have written far more about this in a LinkedIn post that is linked to in the caption for this video. Read that. If you've got any questions, please do let me know. Thanks for watching and have a great day.